Hey guys, so in this video today, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can make your game activity on Steam private. Now, let's just say that you want to play a specific game and you want to make that game activity private. You don't want anybody knowing. I'll show you how to do it in this video. It's quite simple, so just watch until the end. Now, you can see my ideal target video game for the video example of this video is going to be Party Animals. Now, I don't want anybody seeing that I play Party Animals. It's a really cool game, but I don't want anybody seeing. You're going to want to click the little gearbox icon, alright, as the first step. It says manage. Click it, head over to manage, and then it's going to give you an option right here, the fourth option. It's going to say mark as private. Now, go ahead and click it, and it says here, marking a game as private will hide it everywhere outside of your library. Your ownership, in-game status, playtime, and activity will not be available to other people. Now, if that's for you and you want to make sure that your game activity is private, then just mark as private. Basically, it's going to give you a little icon right here with a little eyeball with a cross across it. It just means that you have marked the video game as private. You could always unprivate it by going over back to the setting and clicking unmark as private. But that's how you go ahead and do it, guys. That's how you mark a video game as private or change your game activity to private. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you guys for watching.